What's going on, guys? Spencer Clays here, and we're doing a video about how to clean gutters. So we got a couple of gutter jobs today. Gonna get in, get out, show you guys kind of how I do it and what I found is like the best way. So let's go, let's get after it. See you guys. All right, we got that stellar introduction. We got the brand new Mavic Mini 3 drone. So I use that pretty much exclusively for this video. As you can see, it kind of got a little weird. It's a little choppy when I try to speed it up, so I apologize for that in advance. But I want to make this video as short and sweet as possible because I hate like 27-minute long videos where it could have just been made a 3 or 4 minute video, which this video is. So today we're just gonna be talking about how I clean gutters and how to make $200 plus per hour. So as you can see, guys, I literally just bag up everything in the gutters if it's a lot of stuff, and then I blow the gutters out. Like that's really how I do it. I know I don't really go into gutters and as much as I do into roofs because it's pretty simple. As you can see here, everything just blows out. I think this job in total took me like 20 or 30 minutes. But yeah, so I like to bag up everything that is big so I don't make a huge mess. If the roof is steep though, or there's not a lot of debris, I'll just blow it off onto the lawn and then I'll just clean it up later. Like you can see here, there's the driveway. I'm gonna clean that up in a bit, but pretty simple, guys. Always leave the job looking better than when you got there. Pretty simple stuff. That's gonna be kind of the main theme of this video, just kind of showing you how to do it, and gonna walk you guys through how to get jobs like this, how to start this, and kind of what tools you need. We'll talk about that. All right, done with the first job. That one took us about 20-30 minutes. Just pulled for the second job. Let's get after it. Another lovely transition there. But yeah, guys, so back to the tools, getting the jobs. So as you guys can see, I'm really just using the leaf blower, a brush, and the ladder. Like that is all the tools you need. And obviously the plastic garbage bag, you can buy those. But yeah, just cleaning them out, super quick. Really, people just don't want to get up on a ladder. That's really the main thing that we're combating here. And also, all these tools, it's really quick and easy for me to do. But if someone was to go out and buy all these tools, it's a couple $100. It's going to take them hours to do. So really, they're saving a lot of time, and because I've done this hundreds of times, so it's super easy. So don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Charge your price. If you're getting your ass up there on a roof, up on a ladder, you need to be charging at least $100 an hour. Obviously I don't charge like per hour. I charge per job. But then the quicker you get it done, the better. And people want the quick result. They want it done as quick as possible, and they are more than willing to pay more to have that done. As far as the job, I got this job. He either saw my website or a Facebook ad. It was one guy, he had 2 tenants, and that's why it's super important to have your website optimized. We'll talk more about that in another video. But also in running Facebook ads, I'm really big on that, running ads, because one guy, it just takes one person, one lead, and this turned into a $400 day. And that was, I spent either $5 or $10 to get that lead. So when you're running ads and you really can kind of nail down how much a lead costs, then once you spend that per day, 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks per day, and then you get these leads coming in, and then boom, you're making $400 per day. Obviously, this was 2 jobs, and if I do roof cleaning as well, it can be a lot more than that. You could be closer to $500 if this had other stuff. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Get after it. There's so much demand for this. If you just put out a good offer, $199 gutter clean would be a great offer, and if you do a good job, you're gonna make a lot of money. So yeah. All right, we're all done. All packed up. Took us about an hour and a half total. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, follow for more.